Hi everyone! Today I have a special kimchi recipe. One of my viewers asked me to show how to make a chive kimchi. So here it is. And don't miss the bonus recipe at the end. Let's get started. Korean chives are hard to find this season, so today I'm using Chinese chives. Usually Chinese chives have thicker and larger leaves, but the ones I prepare today are quite similar to Korean chives, so they work well for making kimchi. Chives can be tough if not chosen carefully, so please keep that in mind when buying them. Remove any yellow leaves. Trim the roots and the tips. Rinse the roots and stems under running water 2 to 3 times, then shake off the excess water. Mix 1 tablespoon of sweet rice flour with 3/4 cup water. It until it boils. If you don't have a sweet rice flour, you can use regular flour. Chives don't have much water, so keep the rice paste light and not too thick. Then simmer for 1 minute. Let it cool. In a large bowl, combine 5 tablespoons of red pepper flakes, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, sweet rice paste, 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Mix well to make the seasoning. Chives already have a garlic-like flavor, so you don't need to add a garlic. Slice the onion and carrot. Add the sliced onion and carrot and mix well. Cut the chives into short pieces and add them. Mix gently. Don't mix too hard or the chives may smell grassy. Chive kimchi is ready. You can eat it right away or keep it in the fridge for 1 day for a deeper taste. One night in the fridge makes the flavors richer. Bonus video, chive salad. Thinly slice half an onion. Cut the chives into small pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of plum extract or sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix everything gently and it's ready to enjoy. Just remember 1 tablespoon each. Very easy. This salad is great with a soup like beef bone soup. It's amazing with grilled pork belly. It's also good with rice and fried egg. And if you add a little gochujang and sesame oil, you can mix it into a simple but delicious bibimbap. Hope you give it a try. Today I shared Korean chive kimchi plus a chive salad. Store chive kimchi in the fridge and enjoy it within 2 weeks. For the chive salad, it's best to eat right after making. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I will be back with more delicious Korean recipe. See you next time.